The Abha kingdom's gates unlatched, to 10 martyrs adorned, with 10 embellished crowns of gold bestowed upon the bold. Though trials and woes befell the maidens like 1,000 darts, no act was formidable enough to sway their loyal hearts. The souls were blazoned with Baha'u'llah's love, they did not heed. To promises of freedom had they chosen to concede. The angels chose instead to lift the veil of earthly guise, and be bestowed with wings propelling them to stellar skies. Stripped of all their earthly rights, they waited in their cell, praying to God to give them strength to bid their last farewells. On June 18th of 83, 10 candles lost their flames, to join countless Baha'is who had also faced such unjust pains. The youngest of the educators was merely 17. They sacrificed their lives for the children in God's dream. They gave their lives for sharing the Baha'i Faith with peace and love. And forever will they rest in peace as blessed, revered doves. Men and women of all races, religions are as one. Please open your heart to all, be kind to everyone.